Magandang araw, 7th graders! Ako nga pala si Ma'am Charlene Balgoa. At narito ako upang kayo ay gabayan para sa pagkatuto sa Mathematics 7 para sa linggong ito. Anumang katanungan o karagdagang klarifikasyon pagkatapos ng ating talakayan, ay maaari ninyong ikonsulta sa inyong mga subject teachers sa Mathematics 7.
For this week's lesson, we will be discussing about multiplication and division of rational numbers. This is anchored in our most essential learning competency, performing operations on rational numbers. To begin with, let us discuss about the rules in multiplying fractions. To multiply rational numbers in fraction form, we simply multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Then, reduce the answer to the lowest term. In symbols, if we try to multiply the fractions a over c and the fraction b over d, where a and b are not equal to 0, the result will be ab over cd. For example, if we try to multiply the fractions 1/2 and 3/4, una, imumultiply natin muna ang kanilang mga numerators. So, 1 times 3, that is equal to 3. And then, imumultiply naman natin ang kanilang denominators. So, 2 times 4, that is equal to 8. Therefore, 1/2 multiplied to 3/4 results to 3/8. Another, if we try to multiply the fraction 1/3 and 1/2, again, let us multiply first the numerators. 1 times 1, that is equal to 1. And then, let us multiply the denominators. 3 times 2, that is equal to 6. Therefore, 1/3 multiplied to 1/2 results to 1/6. Now, let us try multiply. Another operation involved on rational numbers is division. Now, here are different steps in dividing fractions. The first one is to divide rational numbers in fraction form. Take the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is called the divisor, and multiply it by the first fraction. In symbols, if we have the fractions ab divided by to the fraction cd, where a, b, c, and d are not equal to 0, we will just copy the first fraction, which is ab, and then get the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is dc, and then proceed to multiplication. So a times d, we have ad, and then b times c, we have bc. So ab divided by cd is equal to ad over bc. For example, if we will try to divide the fractions 1/2 and 3/4, ang uunahin natin gawin is to copy the first fraction, which is 1/2, and then get the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 4 over 3, and then proceed to multiplication. But as we can observe here, we could actually remove the factors for both fractions. And since 2 and 4 have the same factor, we may divide 4 and 2 by 2. So 2 will become 1 and 4 will become 2. And then let us proceed to multiplication. So 1 times 2, that is 2, and 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Another way to divide fractions. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next virtual instruction.